All right, we'll dig into why this pump failed. And I'm not an engineer, I don't design these things, but what I'm going to show you here is this here goes in the bottom of that reservoir. Well, about this far from the bottom. And it's hanging down low and it fills up with dirt on the that plastic cowling in there, and it just builds up, and then it gets into these little holes. The dirt and the water, they get into these little holes, right? So what I did was I cut it apart. Now, that's your pump, your impeller, and that's what turns the motor, turns the impeller to make it work. Now, if you look in here, the little tiny holes right here. Now, I don't know if those holes are needed. As far as I'm concerned, that those holes shouldn't be there, and it would probably help a lot with making the pump run longer. So anyway, this is a pump piece. I just took a hacksaw, I cut around here, and it pulled that off. I think, wow, kind of crappy in there. And you see all the rust and corrosion. I actually cleaned that off, right? And they get in the holes of this little motor. Now maybe they need those holes there for cooling, I don't know. So I went a little further and I cut it all the way around here. It's kind of cheap little, I don't know, $2 motor. Now look how corroded that thing is. Oh, look at the corrosion on that. And you wonder why that little motor won't turn. It's kind of neat how they got this set up though. There's two little points right here. That's your positive and negative. See on the bottom of this, there's two spade ends that when you put it in here, you just plug on. And then that's where you put your electrical connector. So if this was totally sealed, this little motor, electric motor, it wouldn't get so corroded. I'm sure it's just as corroded on the inside as here it is on the outside. So that's my 2 cents. I'm just a mechanic. I don't dream up of these awesome designs. And it would help too if they got the reservoir and everything out of the elements. Thanks for watching.